Hello my friends, Angela here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela. I lost 200 pounds from when I was running, and now I'm trying to live the healthiest life I can while raising my toddler. It's dark outside. So it is race morning. I'm here at Rock and Roll San Antonio getting ready to run my half marathon, and it's 6 o'clock. Race starts at 7:15. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff together. It was very stressful this morning trying to find this parking lot because they closed off the road, but the only way to get here was to show them that you had your freaking parking pass. So whatever, I'm here, got my noon. Very excited to be doing this race this morning. And yeah, so tips for first time running a race: get there an hour early, okay? Put your stuff together the night before and get up and use the bathroom. Always get up and use the bathroom, because you know, number 2 is very important. So I'm not going to be bringing my vlog camera, because if anything happens to this camera, I'm going to be very, very upset. So I will leave it securely here, and I'm going to go on and head into VIP and do all that stuff. So I'll be vlogging on my phone. I also have my GoPro, but I don't really know how to use it, so we'll see. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to know more about the race. Yay! Talk to you later. I don't know how to hold it. Yeah, the VIP area is an awfully long way away from the start line. It's like I had to walk to the Alamo to go do my pro compression stuff. I'm sorry, it's really bouncy. And then I walked all the way back to VIP to hopefully make it for my chocolate milk stuff. And I didn't, because the VIP area is a really long way away. But what can I say? It's still a great thing, and I'm glad that I get a chance to do it. And now I'm just walking to the start line. Whew.
Be safe. Thank you. Can take it like a champ, but I can't. This hill is steep.
hours and 10 minutes, and I walked the half marathon. I'm very proud to say that I walked the half marathon. This just goes to show that you can walk a half marathon and still just be just as good as everyone else. No one else is better than you. You still cover the same miles, and you can do it in 3 hours and 10 minutes. All you have to do is work for it. So I totally forgot to go film in the VIP area, and I'm sitting here in my car, but I kind of need to go because we need to go back home. But super excited about my medal. The VIP had a lot of like really good food and everything in there, but I just wasn't hungry, so it was kind of a waste of VIP. But there were mimosas, and that was pretty awesome. I'm sorry, I just forgot because I was in there talking to people that I don't get to see all the time. So the race was good. The race was very hilly, but it was fun. I really loved the vibes of this race because everyone is happy to be here, and the city really embraces it, and it's just a really, really great race. So I finished 3 hours, 10 minutes, and now it's time to go home. So thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.